persons. Hello everyone. I swam 2 kilometers in 1.5 hours and now I'm hungry, and after the sport we want to eat some eggs. So I peel the egg already, and then got this last one, the last one egg, and add some Japanese soy sauce, and normally we use sesame oil, but this is a very good olive oil from Algarve, Portugal. So it's ready, very yummy, and this is a portion for Michael and me, for 2 persons. Ready to eat. Michael, are you hungry?
Yes.